In this video, you'll learn how to transfer Toncoin from your Tonkeeper wallet to your OKX wallet. This process will involve navigating both wallet applications and ensuring that you have the correct settings and information to complete the transfer successfully. First, open the OKX wallet app or extension on your device. Once the application is open, make sure that the Web3 wallet labeled as OKX is active. You can verify this by looking for any indicators or settings that confirm the wallet is enabled. This step is crucial because the TONCOin operates on the TON blockchain, and having the correct wallet activated is necessary for handling Toncoin. Next, locate the Receive option within the OKX wallet interface. After selecting Receive, you will be prompted to choose the cryptocurrency you wish to receive. Select TON from the list. It is important to note that TON is specifically available on the TON blockchain, so ensure you are selecting this option to avoid any transfer issues. Once you have selected TON, copy your OK's TON wallet address. This address is essential for the transfer as it directs the Toncoin to the correct destination. Make sure to double check that you have copied the entire address accurately, as any mistakes could result in loss of funds. Now, proceed by opening the Tonkeeper wallet application on your device. After the app loads, select the TON option to indicate that you wish to transfer Toncoin. Following this, tap on the send or transfer button to initiate the sending process. This action will lead you to a screen where you can input the necessary details for the transfer. At this point, paste the OKS TON wallet address that you copied earlier into the designated field. After pasting the address, enter the amount of Toncoin you wish to send. It is advisable to verify the amount to ensure it aligns with your intentions and available balance. Before completing the transfer, take a moment to confirm all details. Double check the address to ensure it is correct. Verify that the network selected is the TON blockchain and review the amount you are sending. Once you are confident that all information is accurate, tap the confirm or send button. You may then be asked to complete a PIN or biometric verification to finalize the transaction. This step is important for securing your transfer and preventing unauthorized access. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.